You've probably heard these before. Investing is too risky. You need to be rich to start. Just save money, that's enough. Yeah, all wrong. These myths are costing people years of financial freedom, so let's bust the top 3 investing lies that are keeping people from proceeding. This one stops more people than anything else. You don't need $10,000 to start investing. You don't even need 1,000. Apps like Fidelity, Robinhood, or Schwab let you invest with as little as $1. That's not the problem. The real barrier, not starting. Compound interest doesn't care if you're rich. It only cares how long you stay in the game. Start small and stay consistent. That's the best method. Betting on crypto pumps and meme stocks is gambling. Investing is long-term ownership in actual businesses that generate profits. If you buy an index fund like the S&P 500, you're spreading your money across 500 of the biggest companies in the US. You're not trying to guess the market. You're letting the economy grow and collecting your share. Over any 20-year period in modern history, the stock market has never lost money. Here's the truth no one tells you. Saving alone won't make you wealthy. If you stash money in a savings account earning 1% interest, while inflation is at 3 to 4%, you're actually losing buying power every year. Investing is how your money works while you sleep. Saving is just step 1. Investing is how you scale. So yeah, investing isn't about timing the market or getting rich quick. It's about time in the market. And if you want to build wealth, you need to stop buying these myths. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and leave a like. Until next time, stay tuned.